one entrance. That's the entrance we've just come in. So this bunker would have been built for the school and for classrooms to come down. The sirens would go, kids would come out of their classrooms. I'm assuming they'll come down the ladders, but I'm not 100% certain. These are the original sort of decking and boarding. Oh. It's a shame to step on these, but there's nowhere not to go. So this here would have been the original entrance into the area that the kids would have been in with their teachers. It's a shame it's all boarded up. Yeah, there's no way I can have a look and see in there. Would have been nice. Yeah, and this is the trouble with stepping this. I mean, this is mould. These are rotten. It's a shame to walk on them. Try and avoid them as much as possible. And this would have been another entrance, more flooring, a few branches, pipe work. And I don't know whether these are been dumped here historically by caretakers or ripped off the walls, or the original sinks and wash basins. I don't think so, but who knows, right? Look, it's down here. Again, the toilets, the original toilets. Again, another way out. Oh, it's just a bit damp here, a bit slippery, and wow, bucket toilets. Well, yeah, so water's leaking through this drain. It's just dripped on me. But they're the original toilets. I assume they are bucket toilets. So you put a bucket in there, I'd assume go to the toilet and that would get, I don't think there's any drainage, and they both fill up with water where the water's dripping in through here. And that is, yeah. Maybe the hinges, so that would have closed across there maybe, and that was the original door. Yeah. Be careful. Imagine I came across it, but I can't say. Wow. This is fascinating to think that he was a kid. You have to come down here, hear the sirens, come down here. Down the ladders, following Sir Miss into that room now, and then sit there and wait it out. I haven't seen any signs of any electrics, so these would have all possibly been lanterns. I really don't want to step on this wooden flooring apart from where it's already been crushed. But yeah, into there until you get the all clear. And this would have been part of the civic defence. I believe this one, so I'm not going to reveal the location, but I believe this one is was commissioned in the late 1930s, built in 1940. Yep. I'd imagine there's more. You know, these have been allocated to maybe 2 or 3 classes to come down here. I don't know how big that room is. I don't know whether these are the main entrances, but there is 4 of them, which are escapes, or there's a bigger main entrance that's concreted over into that room, and then that's been sealed up. But this is fascinating with these original wooden planks and those original toilets. Let's take some photos. You can just make it out. I don't know if you can see that. There's some drawings on the wall. Can't make it out. But definitely this side appear to have played hangman. I don't know. Is that L-Y-H-N-S? Lins? On what? It says of Russia, your Russia. What? What binds? I'm not sure what that says. You of what reminds you of Russia? What? I think that says binds. Oh, it could be bind. Reminds you of Russia. What? Can't work that word out. Maybe. What brings? Reminds you. I mean, I assume maybe it's hard to tell whether these are original. I can't imagine any other kids coming down here and playing hangman on the wall. I don't know what that. And I think that says girls. Gee, maybe, yeah. think that says girls. Can't work out exactly what that says. So maybe girls one side, boys the other side. No idea. Just being here, just, you know, why are you 10, 11 years old having to come down here and be in that room while the bombs are going off above you? Scary. So lucky we haven't had to experience that. I'll try and have a quick look. No, I can't see anything on that one. Oh, we have some more stuff here. Oh, I hate breaking these slats. I've been there all these years and a big clumsy idiot like me walks along. What's that? I'm gonna have to have a look at this when I'm outside. But these are messages. Having to stand on one leg, I really don't like. Look at that little drawing. Is that the moon? And rockets in space. These are maths. I've been doing maths.